Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error connection timeout in Google Chrome. So let's get into it. First of all, check your internet connection. A slow internet connection can also delay your browser's connection to the hosting server. Thus, the browser will likely throw this error as the website is taking too long to respond. Therefore, you should test the Wi-Fi speed. Type in speedtest.net in the search bar, then tap Go. Speedtest measures the full capacity of your internet connection. Another way is to clear your Chrome browsing data. To do this, open Google Chrome. On the top right of Chrome, click on the three vertical dots. Go to the More Tools option. And finally, select the Clear Browsing Data option. On the next screen, check Clear Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, Cache Images and Files, and click on Clear Data button. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.